Munini wa spika wa kaunti ino Steve Munene augite first lady akoretwo akinyitanira na ngavana Martin Wambora niguo kugeria kwarira giuthi gia kuhagura spika wa kaunti ino Teresiah Wambora.
There is nowhere in the constitution, anywhere in the law where the first lady of the county there is provision for her to take an active role in deciding the affairs of the county assembly.
Munene wa reingi bunge-ini no Makiaria augite mikana makoretwo makiamukira kuma kuri mutumia uyu ndikumagiriria gutabania wira wa gutungatira muingi wa Embu.
The assembly has granted that there are people who are given work to do and they were paid while they had not done the work. So that's why you are seeing the helter-skelter with the executive.
Ningi njeronitie gavana Martin Wambora gwithema atongorera maramuhe motaro matare ma kiguni kuri muingi uria wa muthurire.
They are not going to touch the record. Here in the assembly, we are under the speaker and we are going to continue doing our oversight.
Kuririkana gavana Wambora hamwe na mutumia wake makoretwo magithagania cikaro cia mwanya utuko gicigo-ini kia mutunduri niguo kwaririria uria megukiria atongoria aria mataramanyita mbaru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.